Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'll talk about the Vapi AI automation, where actually we are creating a voice agent where we can book the appointment through the voice agent for any kind of services. Currently, I'm taking a niche like digital marketing
Hey,
agency
hi. This
service.
is Rufy, an AI agent from Quantum Texas LLC. How can I help you today?
Okay, so I'm Alex Johnson.
Thank you, Alex. I appreciate you providing your name. I would like to collect a few more details to schedule your appointment. Can you please provide me with your phone number?
Yep, my phone
Please
number
go ahead with
is
your phone number.
5173946752.
Thank you, Alex. Just to confirm, your phone number is 517-394-6752. Is that correct?
Yep, it is correct. And my email address is alex.john at the rate of gmail.com.
Thank you for that, Alex. So to confirm, your email address is alex.john@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yep,
Great. Now, could you please provide me with your preferred date for the appointment?
yep. My preferred date is
Could you?
5th of December 2025, and it should be like on 9 a.m.
Thank you, Alex. Just to confirm, your preferred date is December 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Now I'll convert that time to 12-hour format as part of our scheduling process. So will that be 9 a.m.? Please confirm, and I'll proceed to finalize the details.
No, it is 5th of December, and time is perfect 9 a.m. and my time zone is CST time zone.
Thank you for clarifying, Alex. So to confirm, your preferred date is December 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. CST. Now, could you please let me know what service you are interested in for your appointment?
Yep, I'm interested in AI automation service.
Thank you, Alex. Just to recap, you're interested in the AI automation service. So here's what we have so far. Name, Alex Johnson. Phone number 517-394-6752. Email, alex.john@gmail.com. Preferred date, December 5th, 2025. Preferred time, 9 a.m. CST. Service, AI automation service. Is everything correct?
Yep.
Thank you for your patience, Alex. I have successfully submitted your appointment request. Everything is all set for your AI automation service on December 5th, 2025 at 9 a.m. CST. If you have any further questions,
Now let's see the booking. So I have connected this with GoHighLevel, so it should book an appointment on the calendar. You can see the Alex Johnson with the time of 5th of December, as if I'm currently on another time zone. So that is why it is like that. So the meeting has been booked. So the AI actually worked. So if I explain how does that works, then let me start with Vapi. So first of all, you have to create a new agent from here, like create a assistant, and then you have to select the AI model, and then you have to give the prompt. You can, based on the prompt, you can actually change the niche or guide the AI how to actually collect and gather the information. And then inside the tool, what you have to do is you have to create a new action. Like for that, I have used the booking bot. So I have connect with the lead connector, that means the GoHighLevel, and then define the method and also provide the uh, properties what he will send to the GoHighLevel, and then set the function and collect like connect it in with the model. From here, like go to tools, and then here you can select the available actions what you made. So I have connected that, and then published it, and also you before publishing and doing any kind of production release, what you can do a test release. Like inside the settings you can add the test case and the expected outcome what it should send. So based on that, if you run the test, you will see like how does it perform. For my case, I have given two and all of them are run successfully and it worked. So that's about the Vapi part. Now if I go to the Go High Level part to actually connect it, I have created a automation here. The booking meeting is that the automation what I used. What does Vapi do is Vapi send the data to that particular webhook, and then it stores the information, and then it create a contact inside the CRM, and then I'm giving a tag so that I can find out it later on, and then I'm creating a calendar with those all of those information what we get from the web AI. So that's how the actually the meeting booking appointment actually works. So that's all for today. If you have any question or if you face any difficulties, feel free to ask.